Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing a box of 1314 Dominion, and here's our official time. That's Nova Scotia time, 23:01. And here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Thank you everyone who jumped in and grabbed teams. Appreciate it. Always good. It's always good. And there it is, break 75. Serial number 3518. Here's our box. All nice and sealed up. And here's the serial number 3518. I don't know if we can see it on this camera or not. It's a pretty shitty picture, for sure. Okay, so we'll get right to that. How's it going, Pack? Okay, what's going on here? So, there's your pack of Dominion. Let's get right into it. Good luck, everybody. And we're going to start off with Logan Couture. I'm going to move back a little bit, I guess, for that camera. Okay, for the Sharks, and Sharks is RS402. Congratulations. Hey, how's it going? Go Spits go. Oh my God. Brian, how's it going, Brian? Yeah, it's the first pack. Yep. Look at this for Dallas. Holy snapping hearses. Hockeytown champs. Look at that. That is nice. 26 out of 50. Antone Rosell. Look at that patch. Pretty sweet. Very sweet. Going up to the stars. For the Ducks and James Jack's 2015. 92 out of 99. It's an Emerald. Emerson Edom for the Ducks. Yeah, very nice Dallas hit it was. And we've got a redemption. Rookie patch autograph, short print, card number 198. Oh, I guess you can't see that there. I got to get that light out of there. Valdemar Tarasenko for the Blues. Blues tonight, Chubbs 74/93. Man, maybe it's my eyes. Nothing seems to be focused tonight. Oh, nice. For the Boston Bruins, 12 out of 25. Complete sweaters. So you get a sweater, fight strap, prime jersey, and patch. For Raymond Bourque. And last but not least, Mike Fisher. For Andrea 0993, that's 33 out of 299. And that's all she'll do for the Bruins break. We'll be right back here with another one. So we'll just shut this one down. Good night and happy bidding.